Hey everybody, we're going to do one more of these. This one, we're going to build a mobile app leveraging one of our partner technologies, a platform called Jigx. It's a rapid mobile application development platform. At least that's how Gartner kind of categorizes this type of technology. Inspiration for this one came from a video I saw yesterday. It was from a gentleman named Daniel Christian. Apologies if I botched your last name, Daniel. Really good video. He does really good videos. Very honest takes on different platforms, different technologies. No hype. Very good production quality. The result, however, what he was trying to do, not terribly impressed with it. I was a little disappointed in what Copilot spit out. Essentially, he was trying to build a personal kind of life goals tracker app. I think it spit out like four fields. He added a couple fields. There was some other little glitchy stuff that he kind of acknowledged was probably because it was still in preview. But I kind of came away from that thinking, man, I kind of feel like Kudzu Bot could do a better job. So that was the inspiration for this, and I wanted to obviously highlight one of our great partners, Jigx. So let's just get into it. But essentially, we're just going to go with personal life goals tracker. Very simple prompt. We don't have to tell it a whole lot else. KudzuBot's going to talk to a Azure hosted instance of ChatGPT 4. We're using the 8K model for this. Little 32 is a bit overkill for what we're trying to do here. So you can see it generated a pretty substantial form. So a lot of different fields, lots of drop downs, populated category, subcategory, status, different milestone dates. If I wanted to relate goals to this, if I wanted to do any type of tagging around it. I'm not sure I like Life Goals Navigator. Let's just go back to Life Goals Tracker. We'll fix that. I think when we talk about, tracking, goals, I think it's important to maybe note or at least be aware of obstacles. So let's add an obstacle field. We're going to make that multi-choice. KudzuBot wants to know if we want help filling out that choice. It's done. Look at that. Fear, lack of motivation, financial constraints, time constraints, lack of support, all the things that prevent us from doing things in our lives. It'd also be nice to maybe track some, tasks or subtasks. So let's put a subtasks. I'm going to make this one a repeating section so we can have multiple. Again, KudzuBot's offering its help to create that section for us. It wants to know if we want to populate the choice lists it found. We're going to say yes. So created a nice little simple subtask so we can kind of break down these goals into specific tasks with due dates. And if we need help from somebody else, potentially assign it to somebody else. So pretty good form, right? As you'll see in the kind of Copilot video, I think it generated 4 fields. He added a couple more. So pretty big difference from a kind of a fidelity or verbosity standpoint. And you'll note that we created this model pretty quickly. I'm going to change this to kind of a Jigx layout. The default's 1 column, but I can go up to 2, 3. We're just going to keep it 1 so it's not too input dense on the mobile device. From that, look at that, 30 fields. In just a few seconds, we created this very input-rich form model. You've got them, checked lists. You've got drop-down lists. You've got typed fields for dates and times, and we've got a repeating section for subtasks. Now I'm going to turn around. Now that I have that model, I'm going to write it out to Jigx. I'm going to go in and do a bit of configuration on this. It's really nice to put like kind of a cover image up top. Just makes the form look a little bit better. Gives it some additional context. You can change names here. You can specify, fields. So I'm going to put goal name. Maybe we'll put the category as the subtitle. Click update. I don't want, I'm not going to generate YAML. I am going to publish the solution though. So I'm going to click me lower this here for make it smaller. This is my phone sharing, so you'll see that this solution is being directly published. As that spinner is going, you'll see the solution pop up here on the right hand side. There's my Life Goals Tracker app in Jigx. You can see there's the list view. I'm going to create a new goal. Let's just say, we're just going to call it, lose weight. I feel like everybody wants to lose weight. I need to lose weight. Health, I can put subcategories in there. I could put, status. We'll say, in progress. We don't have to set any dates. I'm going to set a subtask, just eat better. And we'll just save that as that. So there's my subtask. You can see it listed there under the sections, save life goals tracker, and there it is, lose weight under health. So in a few minutes, we're able to give Kudzu Bot a very simple prompt, a personal life goals tracker, generated, added a field called obstacles. It was intelligent enough to fill that given the context of the larger form, created a whole new repeating section to specify subtasks and write it out to a very rich mobile experience leveraging our partner technology, Jigx. If you like what you see, you'll on the screen that pops up here after I'm done talking, you'll see contact information on how to get a hold of us, how to engage, and learn more about the product. Look forward to doing more of these and talking with folks and helping you solve your ideation and form conversion challenges.